President Mahama deserves praise for acting in accordance with the law and due process. Solomon Owusu. Where is Solomon Owusu? I'm saying we're part of movement for change. Na wakasa I watch you say President Mahama say born abaso na wode mrane na yede e dia ya adwuma. Me can Chief Justice the suspension ho asem. Ade ba akwa say ye focus and I say ye share about this particular Chief Justice case and say we all have to know say Chief Justice Tokuno and you say Mahama na so opam no and you be na di the petition aba and all hwem and even I know say even senka obiamfa petition krampo nye den emaya na say Mahama na nkasa as president fifi niamamu na je mensa adwuma nso ania ono abetime de ne pa sake no o tumi do to do that ntenye news. But what we must understand is say President John Dramani Mahama enyo no ne sake no eye nkrofo bi na atam o mu krata aba no fifi mu say krata na make sense at the end of the day no tokuno be ko say make sense obetina say now,
but here I hardly praise any president of this land because I believe that we did not beg you to be the president. You came to beg us. But let me here praise President Mahama that up to this stage he has behaved within the laws of the land. Nothing he has done that is not captured in the constitution. From head to toe.
You was only following due process?
Following due process. So how can I fault him?
If you remember, Akufo-Addo in the Charlotte said
yes.
He was just a conveyor belt. You remember?
Yeah, I remember that.
And when Charlotte even demanded copies of the petition through her lawyer, Tadio Sori,
yes.
They came back through Eugene Ahin, the presidential
yes.
Gongon Bita at that time,
yes.
saying that no, there is no such thing, and that she will have that benefit at the committee.
Oh, absolutely, you remember?
Even President Mahama had been extremely generous in compliance with due process. Say, look, I'll give you 10 days to respond. How come that they are not speaking to these issues?
Okay.
Cleverly, you and like he had pointed out, you notice that. You see, you notice that the NPP is no longer.
You want to bamboozle your way here.
They are no longer.
You want to use your position as the NPA board to
okay.
Nobody is going to allow that on this platform.
Okay, conclude for me on this matter. Solomon,
I've yielded back to
the president has behaved within the confines of the law.
even though he gets criticism from the NPP.
Well, the NPP, they are looking out to something just to make noise. They have still not recovered from that hefty defeat. And that is what people must understand. Either than how can a lawyer be only quoting grammar?
I'm surprised because you were a former member of the NPP.
That is why I said that this is not People's Party. If it were a new patriotic party, they would be quoting law, constitutional provisions.
the roaches.
Absolutely. But now it is emotions and it is grammar. But you see, interestingly, these petitions are supposed to be secret. Is that not the case? What petition do they have to say? Or which petition are they holding? That is informing their decision that is political persecution and so on and so forth. Is it the case that the Chief Justice has leaked the petition to them?
How do you mean?
Because as we speak, do you have a copy of the petition?
No, I don't.
Do I have a copy?
Me, Premier,
Do you have a copy?
No.
So, which petition are they looking at to be coming out with all manner of statements?
You mean which petition are they speaking to?
Absolutely. So it means because for a Vincent Josephua and Gofredami to run quickly to the court, it means someone had leaked.
In fact, they relieved one.
You understand?
They relieved
And
one.
how can they do that? That's what I'm saying, that the Chief Justice, the embattled Chief Justice, must not allow herself to be the center of attraction for the negative reason. Because if leakages appear, her side is leaking, and the government is also benevolent to leak to us, the other side, and we begin to diagnose the issues, maybe it will not be pleasant. It will not be pleasant at all.
Empty Ghana for where Solomon Owusu. Men semini. Media makase this Chief Justice kura na kebeye issue wa nka yenye fanya politics kura, because listen, there is a reason NTR NDC are buying way everybody is aware. There is a reason, and the reason is the petition. Tokuna nkasa as a person no. Ommisa no hu say. Madwuma so ani ana so ani. Me say the minute Tokuna tena ho a me bisa no questions amana so. I'm telling you. Say the minute Tokuna etena ho a me bisa Tokuna questions. She will cry. Because it doesn't make sense to say your Chief Justice were performing poorly and people still want us to maintain her. And mom, we did say you maintain Chief Justice. No, okay, you maintain it. Say Chief Justice, we imagine NPP for the young flippy coin. No, you find say Tokunu ko ye NDC. And our NDC government and appointed Tokunu. Niana Tokunu ye no. Niana Tokunu edi ya Ghana for the NDC for no. Na ye did the same thing yamu NPP for. Na Tokunu appointed by Mahama na NDC. Come we feel say. That's the question. Take anka behavior na Tokunu done the towards NDC. Any say you tina cases so no say nka ekoko ban say Tokunu NDC na appointed no oye being appointed by NDC na oye NDC bidding na ka nseme na mbeka Charlotte say was working doing her work diligently. Charlotte say mistakes are not Jemen say you know Jemen sa Charlotte say yes are mistakes dey be, but all of a sudden then ye nya reason kituwa bi e de pam Charlotte say man ko vie me boy na Tokunu and that's why I'm saying it doesn't make sense that if somebody is politicizing this particular matter, it doesn't make sense. Say ye won crofobia to Ghana ha na wo mu politicize it Tokunu case wa and make any sense, because those people no they leave the real issue behind and they speak about other issues. At the end of the petition 3 now, but say I'm no say 2 ababa kan hwade. You say I make say 2 petitions abekan I 5. Every as 2 petitions no krampa abano. Reasons na wo no be harsh than 3 na buy. Why are you guys not speaking about that petitions now banning and semi woman na chinchina mo say Chief Justice ye maintain no. The question is that ye maintain Chief Justice kurampa e de enti na ye maintain no. And sema ye ka fa no watima deny dabi, so why should we maintain her? That's the question now every Ghanaian must be asking him or herself. Nobody hate Tokunu, nobody hates the NPP. Eyamuniye and Amamukuru man. Your cup is full. Your cup is full. Empty. Muyana Mungovi. As simple as that. And then I was young, we shall meet again.